Here, Romeo. Here you go. Here's your water, dear. Yeah. No, Romeo. Oh, my goodness, Romeo. Look at me. You are so hungry. Oh, my goodness. Eat right, Romeo. Oh my goodness, Romeo, put the plate down. You know better. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. Now don't wipe yourself on your belly. Whatever you do, do not wipe your hands. Don't do that. I have told you, use your napkin. Oh, use your napkin. There you go. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my God, get your fingers out of your mouth. Do you want some water? Huh? You want some water? Look at Romeo, quit eating. Lift your head. Lift your head. Do you want some water? Here, right here. Here's your water, Romeo. What, Romeo? Do you want your water? Drink your water, Romeo. There you go. No? You want your plate again?